I hope you all are good, and today I'll teach you some words. Then first word is sweeper. SWEEPER. Sweeper meaning is jharu lagane wala, and picture is here. This is a sweeper, and word is here is second word. In second word, it's a three word: carry on, continue, maintain, jari rakhna. Right here, carry on meaning is jari rakhna, continue meaning is jari rakhna, and maintain meaning is jari rakhna. Right, and I hope you learn it. Carry on, CARRY, carry on, CONTINUE, continue, jari rakhna, MAINTIN, maintain, jari rakhna, and third word is remain in use, REMAIN, remain, and in use, remain in use meaning is इस्तेमाल होते रहना. Right, and your fourth word is winter, and I'm teaching you fourth word here: winter, jara, sardi, and it's called also coldness. Right, it is the pick here, coldness pick, you know. And next word is fifth word, uh, shiver, SHIVER. Shiver meaning is ठंड लगना. Here he is shivering. Right, ऐसे ठंड लग रही है, ये ठंड से ठिठुर रहा है. So I hope you like this video. When you like this video, you share it, comment it, and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So thank you very much. Goodbye.